Hello and welcome to our channel. Join us on a journey through Central Asia as we explore its cities and their rich history and culture. Our journey begins in Tashkent, the capital and largest city of Uzbekistan. Tashkent is the capital of Uzbekistan and is a charming city with many iconic tourist spots. The most famous of them all is the Chorsu Bazaar, a historic market where visitors can shop for local goods and gifts. Tashkent offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity and is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking cultural experiences. The Kast Imam complex is a spiritual monument in Tashkent. It was built near the burial place of the first Tashkent Imam and consists of several buildings including a mosque and madrasa. Next, we head to Kazakhstan to visit its largest city, Almaty, and its capital, Nur-Sultan. These cities offer a fascinating mix of old and new, with historic landmarks standing alongside modern skyscrapers. Almaty is a city in Kazakhstan known for its scenic views of nature and its ski resort, Sygyembulik. Visitors can also try ice skating at Medayu, a high mountain ice rink. Almaty offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity and is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking natural beauty and cultural experiences. Nur-Sultan, formerly known as Astana, is the capital of Kazakhstan. The city has risen fast from the northern steppe and is already a showpiece for 21st-century Kazakhstan. Nur-Sultan is scheduled to go on rising and spreading into a city of over 1 million people by 2030. In Kyrgyzstan, we visit its capital Bishkek and the second-largest city Osh. These cities offer a unique blend of history and culture that is sure to captivate any traveler. Bishkek is the capital and largest city of Kyrgyzstan. It is delightfully green and full of post-Soviet anachronisms. Bishkek is a cultural hub that offers culinary diversions, an art scene, and nightlife. It is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking natural beauty and cultural experiences. Osh is the second-largest city in Kyrgyzstan and is located in the Fergana Valley in the south of the country. It is one of the oldest cities in Central Asia and has a rich history dating back over 3,000 years. Osh is known for its vibrant bazaar, historical sites, and stunning mountain scenery. It is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking natural beauty and cultural experiences. If you're enjoying our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from us. Our journey continues in Ashgabat, the capital of Turkmenistan. It is located in the south of the country near the border with Iran. This city is known for its unique architecture and impressive monuments. Ashgabat is known for its white marble buildings and grandiose monuments. The city has a unique blend of traditional Turkmen culture and modern architecture. It is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking natural beauty and cultural experiences. In Tajikistan, we visit its capital Dushanbe and the second-largest city Kuyan. Dushanbe is the capital and largest city of Tajikistan. It is located in the Gisor Valley and is surrounded by beautiful mountains. The city is divided into 4 districts, all named after historical figures. Dushanbe is a delightful city built around parks, lakes and fountains. It offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity and is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking natural beauty and cultural experiences. Kuyan is the second-largest city in Tajikistan and is located in the north of the country. It is one of the oldest cities in Central Asia and has a rich history dating back over 2,500 years to the Persian Empire. Kuyan is known for its historical sites, vibrant bazaar, and stunning mountain scenery. It is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking natural beauty and cultural experiences. We also visit Samarkand and Bukhara in Uzbekistan, 2 of its most historic cities that were major stops on the Silk Road and remain important cultural centers today. Samarkand is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Central Asia. It is located in modern-day Uzbekistan and was once a major center of trade and culture along the Silk Road. The city is known for its stunning architecture, including Registan Square and the Shah-i-Zinda necropolis. Samarkand has a rich history and has been ruled by various empires and dynasties throughout its existence. Bukhara is another ancient city in Uzbekistan and was once a major center of Islamic culture and scholarship. The city is home to numerous historic landmarks, including the Kalyan Minaret and the Ark of Bukhara. Bukhara has a rich history and has been ruled by various empires and dynasties throughout its existence. It is known for its well-preserved historic center and its vibrant bazaars. Our journey through Central Asia has come to an end, but the memories will last a lifetime. We've explored some of the most fascinating cities on the Silk Road and discovered their rich history and culture. If you would like to learn more about these amazing cities, stay tuned for more videos about these amazing places. We hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward to seeing you on your next adventure in Central Asia. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel.